This video is just going to quickly show you how to apply for student employment positions with the University of Alaska. So first, we're going to search careers.alaska.edu, and that should bring you right to the job listing page. Next, we want to refine the search by just student employment positions, and I am going to refine by the Anchorage location. If you are located at any of our other campuses, perhaps Fairbanks, you can go ahead and refine the search that way as well. All of the campus locations are listed. Now my search is refined and I'm only seeing student employment positions in Alaska or in Anchorage. I've clicked on the student union student manager position. I get a nice position summary so I know what to expect on the job and what sort of skills are needed. Minimum qualifications are always going to include at least a 2.0 or above grade point average, and the student must be in good academic standing. All students are also required to be enrolled for a minimum of 6 credits or more, unless you are searching for employment over the summer, in which case you must be enrolled for 6 credits or more for the fall. This is a management experience, so they're asking for a little bit of preferred experience here, and so it's great that they have that information so you know how to be prepared. And then every single position will include the pay information, as well as the application instructions, so before you even hit apply, you know what sort of documents need to be included. Next, applying is as simple as clicking apply now, and then you're going to log in with your UAA username and password, and you'll go ahead and just click through the prompts until you submit the application. You can also save and exit if you do not have time to complete the whole application and come back to it later. And so that's everything. That is how you apply for jobs, student employment positions at the University of Alaska. We hope this video is helpful and you check out some of the other videos on our YouTube page.